Kia ora. Hello again. It's another fine day for a drive, and we have come inland from the Bay of Plenty coastline in order to visit two lakes which were created many years ago along the Rangitaiki River, Lake Matahina and Lake Aniwhenua. Matahina is not just a dam built for flood control purposes. It is also a hydroelectric power plant, as we will see on our return drive. Along on our left you will see power line pylons. Incidentally, just now I mentioned flooding, and should point out that the river later passes through the town of Edgecombe, which was nearly wiped out by such floods only a few years ago. Boating and fishing are normally permitted on Lake Matahina, which is over to our left, but otherwise Aniwhenua, our destination today, additionally offers more extensive recreational facilities, with a camping ground, children's play area and public toilets. As we drive, notice how little traffic we have to contend with. What a pleasure! Ultimately this road would take us to the little villages of Galatea and Murupara, a long way from anywhere really. At Murupara you would go left on State Highway 38 to Wairoa on the east coast, or right to Rotorua or Taupo. Shortly we will pass very quickly through Waiaho. Not a lot to say about Waiaho, although apparently there is a striking memorial at the school honoring a 28th Maori Battalion soldier who was killed in Crete on the 23rd of May 1941. More recently, in February 2021, Waiaho hit the headlines when a young local man attending a 21st birthday party at the rugby club was stabbed and died. Well, here's our turning for the Aniwhenua camping ground, just a short distance to go. We'll cruise down to the lakeside, taking in the beautiful autumn colors, and if you would like to see more of the area, together with parts of our return journey, have a look at Drive 32. Bye for now.